Hey guys, Melissa here again. This third video is going to be kind of short, just because we are going to show you what I do with the information we've captured on the previous video. We did a free messenger guide and we collected the information. Let me show you here. We bring them into Messenger with the ad. Once we get them into Messenger, we collect some data with a catch hook. We send them into our autoresponder. My autoresponder happens to be Kartra because I use it for everything. And then I create a list. And then I also brought them into a spreadsheet on Google Docs. And I also sent myself an email saying, hey, you got somebody that wants your guide. It's just so it's kind of fun to get those little reminders that I'm actually seeing some business flowing. And then from there, I want to take that collected data and use it. One of the biggest things in making money online is by retargeting. You can listen to any guru stuff and they promote retarget, retarget, retarget. So what I did was I went from my messenger guide and I set up a custom audience on Facebook because I do most of my advertising on Facebook. So what I did was I took all the information from my spreadsheet. Let me just pull up Google here so you can actually see my sheets. So I'm in Google Drive. Google Drive is free. I know you can upgrade to their premium service. I do not have that yet. I'm still trying to keep costs down. So I went to the 4-key strategy guide message. And this is where I collected the data off my first ad. Let's open her up so you can see. Remember, you have to put in the first line yourself. It's so it can grab the other information. I went in and did a couple tests there, but here, look at all those. Look at all those. So I got 80 some people that wanted my free guide in a week. That isn't bad. 83, well, minus my 3. So 80 that wanted my free messenger guide. So what I did is I took this information in Zapier. Here's my Google Spreads, and what I'm doing is I want to, just walking you through it, I went into my Google Sheets. Every time I get a new spreadsheet row, it's my Google Sheets, my 4-key strategy guides, messenger marketing, and it's the page 1 of my Google Sheets, and then it says find data. So what that data is, I just picked one. You can go in and pick some. You can set up like spreadsheet row A or spreadsheet row B. You can set them up differently. Mine are exactly the same, so I just picked B. Now I use my software where I collected the data, and I have to get permission. I have to show Facebook that I have permission to have their email. You can't just go grab emails off Facebook and message them or set up a custom audience because you don't have their permission to use their email and send them information. Facebook wants you to be up and up that you've already got the approval, you already got the acceptance, and they want information from you. So I have to prove through Chatmatic, which is the software I use to collect the data, and I'm going to find the subscriber. So basically, off that Google document, off this spreadsheet, we're going to find that next spreadsheet row email in Chatmatic to show that that they do want information from me. It goes into my account, and then I'm looking for the next available email. This is the test. It shows nothing confirmed. It just basically is telling me this is the information that it's collecting. So it's saying, yes, I sent the test out a while ago. A test subscriber was sent to Chatmatic about a week ago. So this verified that that person is actually in my spreadsheet or in my collection of data, which it was because it's me. You have to go through and make sure that everything is catching with the Chatmatic, and then you have to go in and make sure Google approves it, whatever. Then, this is the fun part. We are going to create a custom audience in Facebook because of this. Now, I went into Facebook Manager, Business Manager, and I preset these up because I didn't really know how to make it work. You can actually create a custom audience right from here, right from here. So like if I were to create a new one, I can actually create a custom audience. It'll tell me create a custom, we want to add email, create a custom audience. So you can create it right there. We're not going to do that again, so I'm going to delete that one. Delete it because I already have one made. Delete it. Come on. Really delete it, yes. Okay, so I went into Business Manager and I went into Audiences. Come on. Oh, we gotta shut off my spam blocker. Okay, so I created custom audience. So this is my free guide, and right now I have a saved audience of, that's not the right one, custom audience, free marketing strategy. Let's see here, free message guide. So this one right here, I made it offline conversion, custom audience, and it's ready. And we have below 1,000 followers on it, which is perfectly fine. That's what I was expecting. We had 80. But, you know, at least I can make that custom audience. Now I can advertise to them, which is really cool. I also set one for my free marketing strategy, and I also set one for my free trial ad where that's a 14 days for free. Then we go back here, and let me walk you through that. So basically what it's saying is I'm going to create a custom, or I'm going to add it to my custom audience. I'm going to add this email to the custom audience, the email that is already approved. I'm going to, let's see, choose account. This is my Facebook custom audience. This is my ads account that I'm putting it into. And there's my ad number, free messenger guide. That's my custom audience that I want it added to. And then this is my test, and it says it was good, so collected that information and sent it over, and we're done. So basically, oops, once you go into it and change it, you got to turn it back on. It's one of the defaults of Zapier, so I got to make sure it's turned on because I'm still getting requests. And that would be it for today. So I just want to teach you that you can take through Zapier, you can take the information that you collect in Messenger, send it to an Excel spreadsheet, confirm that you have authorization, and then send it to a custom audience in Facebook, and then you can retarget those people. It's kind of cool. Just wanted to give you a heads up, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks.